Easy cake gems are a perfect way to bring all of the spooky to all of your parties. So join me as I make some. Starting with Chocolate Orange, it's the best chocolate color, and it only takes a few drops to get this vibrant orange. Now, I like to layer in the chocolate at the bottom and then pull the edges up to create the walls around my cakesicle. It's just easier for me. But what I'm really excited to show you today is how to decorate these jack-o'-lanterns. So I tested two different techniques. First, I decided to paint on Turkish black with the color solution inside of the cavities of the pumpkin. But then I busted out the black diamond dust, and with the color solution, since there are gums inside of it, the edible glitter adheres very well. I just love the contrast between the black edible paint powder plus the black diamond dust. It's beautiful. But then I thought, what if we skip the Turkish black and just go straight in with the black diamond dust and the color solution? And it actually turned out really cool. And then of course I had to set the stage for my two little cuties, threw down some sprinkles, more diamond dust of course. And to wrap up this video, I just want to know which one you like more. The one with the Turkish black edible paint powder or just the black diamond dust? I think they're both fabulous.